Hi guys, Bethany here. Today I have my June 2021 unboxing of Easywhim. Let's get right into it. This one is taped up good, I tell you what. Alright, so it comes in this box. The box is a little damaged, but not too bad. Oh, I see some drills. That's going to be for the diamond paintings. I have a circle and a square. Let's see what my paper says. It's a bit crinkly. Dear Bethany, we are pleased to present your June box of diamond painting goodness. What's in your member box? Capture your special memories, affirmations, or creative writing notes in your beautiful DP notebook with spiral binding. This updated version of our popular notebooks adds a classic touch through its binding. Try your hand at this 4D puzzle owl. Once completed, your puzzle is a useful storage box where you can place stationery and DP tools. Display it proudly. Looking for some extra pop? Why not bedazzle your owl with diamonds and rhinestones for extra sparkle? Add a touch of diamond painting to surprises and gifts with your collection of 20 gift tags. Simply diamond paint them and then attach to parcels, packages, and gifts for extra joy and sparkle. Bethany, please look forward to your July Club box full of new and exciting designs. So I got this a couple weeks ago. I am a little bit slow on the unboxing, but here it is. So the first diamond painting looks like a wolf pack, a family. The other diamond painting is some deer, a deer family. Cool. All right, here is a diamond painting kit. It has a tray, a pen with a pink grip, and some wax. There's a set of tweezers in here. They are fairly sharp, not too sharp. Classical 3D wooden puzzle. This is the notebook. That looks pretty. So in this notebook, you have the notebook, some drills, and a toolkit. The notebook has a cover over the diamond painting area. This is what the inside of the notebook looks like. This is cool. I like how it has the days of the week, and then you can select what the weather is like. That's really pretty. I like that a lot, actually. I want to look at the drills for that. We have some purple teardrops, some big purple round crystals, some faceted medium-sized crystals, some clear ones, some pearl-like rounds. There's some more teardrops, they're orange. Some faceted teardrops, pretty orange-red colors. Itty-bitty purple ones, itty-bitty yellow ones. We have some light purple marquise, some regular orange diamonds, purple, white, sparkly Aurora Borealis, some more orange, and some yellow. Gorgeous. Next we have this wooden puzzle. On here it says 3D. On my paper in there it says 4D, so I'm not sure what that means exactly. If you guys have any idea what the difference is, what this one actually will be, let me know in the comments down below. I really like this design on the front. It's very naturey, very natural. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, good. It does have instructions. Happy to see those instructions. So it looks like you put it together and it's supposed to be some kind of an owl. And if you want to bedazzle that, you can. I will attempt that at a later time. Then we have these gift tags. It says that there are 20 of them. That's really neat. That's one of the reasons I really like this subscription box, is because of the little fancy things that you get that you don't necessarily get anywhere else. So these are just little paper tags. They have a hole at the top for some string or ribbon. They have a protective cover that you can peel back, do the diamond painting on. I love owls, so this is awesome. I got that wooden puzzle and these tags with owls in it. Kitty, an owl, ooh, butterflies, heart, ooh, we got a few hearts, looks like, love, lots of kitties, some roses. These will be really fun to do, I think. So that comes with a toolkit with a simple boat and wax bags and pen. Here is the string that it comes with string for the tags and all of the drills. Somewhere here there it is, a way for me to open it. All right, so we have a white, a red, a dark pink. Ooh, there's some orangish yellow crystals, some blue, some green, purple, and black. Oh, cute. It has these pink heart crystals and these blue diamond-shaped crystals. The diamond paintings are wrapped up really nice. I don't want to open them until I am going to do them because they are double-sided adhesive, so I'm concerned that I might ruin them after I unroll them and then try to roll them back up. But like I said, one of them is squares and one of them is circles. They come nicely bagged already. That makes kitting up super easy. The drills look nice. So this is my June 2021 Easywhim subscription box. If you guys want to see me work on any of these projects, please leave a comment down below and I will do a video of me working on one of these projects. I did finally attempt the paper quilling from the last box. That took a long time, but I have a video up. I have a shorter video and a longer video. If you guys are interested in that, check that out. And give me a like for this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.